Boom shakalaka. What is going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday in June in 2018. What is going on? The markets are red yet again today. Ooh, big red background behind me. But we're going to talk about all the news today, including Tron futures, Tether printing, Binance getting ousted, ooh, and Alibabachain. Yes, we'll get into all of that. But before we get started, tonight, Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, we are having a late night live stream. So join me. I'll answer all your questions, talk about all this mumbo jumbo with you, answer everything. You can ask any question about certain cryptos or what's going with the market. Is it going to zero? Are we all going to die? Blah, 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 blah. Spoiler alert, we all are going to die. It happens to everyone. Now, other than that, guys, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Nuke the shit out of that like button. And if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. Now, just because we have to do this stuff, I live stream most of my videos now, and so I can't edit in the disclaimer. Guys, disclaimer, don't be a dumb shit, okay? Cryptocurrencies, not financial advice. They're inherently volatile, blah, 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 blah. Read the disclaimer, do your own research, yada, 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 yada. Okay, cool. So taking a look at coin market cap, look at this, under $250 billion yet again. Bitcoin dominance rising 42.3%. And, it's all falling apart. Look at all this red, falling. It's been like a shit week, I would say. Yeah, look at that. Lost a lot of things, lost about a quarter of their market cap in a week. There we go. A quarter in a week. So that is pretty crazy. Will we slip to 5,000? Certainly is possible, but who's to know? Tonevase seems to think it's definitely possible. Let's see. The other thing, big gainers for the day. Well, Theta Token and Monaco. The only thing I found about Monaco was that a new version of the Monaco Visa card and wallet app may be out. But then people say, nice, when card? And they're saying, August, which year? Potentially 2018. So new Monaco Visa card for people in Europe and Asia. Nothing for those of us in the States. Okay, but Bitcoin just hovering above 6,000 at 61.31. Ethereum broke the $500 mark and keeps dropping to 438. Ripple at 47 cents. Bcash at 721. EOS at 776. And Litecoin at $78, almost $75. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now, if we take a look, we're still in this descending channel. Bitcoin's still dropping there. Broke through the big even, or the support we're finding at 6,700. It dropped through 6,000 for a second, so dug pull resistance here. Looks like that may be where we're heading next. We'll see if we find support there, or maybe it'll just break through. Now, with the news today, crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX announces Tron futures contract. That's right, not just Bitcoin futures, Tron futures. Due to popular demand, we'll be listing the BitMEX Tron on the 20th of September 2018 futures contract, blah, 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 on or before June 26, 2018. That's interesting. Makes me think, I wonder if this is going to do for Tron's price what Bitcoin futures did for Bitcoin's price initially, where they soared up. Do you guys think that Tron's bound to soar? I mean, right now it's at 3 cents, the lowest it's been in a long time. But it could go higher. Tether back in the news for printing more. Okay, now last week we just saw that Tether kind of audited. They didn't audit. They snapshotted how much USD reserves they have, which may be true. Okay, they had like a former FBI, former FBI detector, Louis Free. So they had him do the snapshot. So basically what they did was they said, this is our bank account. And look, it has $2.54 billion in it. Okay, it could have just been they had all their friends send $2.54 million to that bank account for that day. just to do whatever. But they printed another $250 million US today, and investors wait for market response. Yes, so it's caused many investors to speculate over a looming pump in Bitcoin pricing because, as Charlie Lee so succinctly notes, generally this has been a precursor of price going up. Tether gets printed when people deposit USD and get USD Tether back. This Tether will then be used to buy crypto. This is similar to someone depositing $250 million on exchanges. Of course, that doesn't mean they'll buy right away. Do your own research. Yeah. Or it could be people hedging against crypto going even further down as people go from their cryptos into Tether. This is big news. Oh my goodness, check this out. I forgot to show this to you guys. Check this out. Are you ready for your world to be rocked? Are you ready, brother? Yeah, look at this. 24-hour volume rankings. Coinbene, or Coinbean, whatever you want to call it. We'll call it Coinbean. That sounds better because Coinbene reminds me of John Benet Ramsey. So Coinbean, number 1. BitZ, number 2. OK Exchange, number 3. Binance, number 4. What the shit? Yeah, look at that. These ones are doing a heck of a lot more volume. Coinbean, BitZ, OK Exchange, and Binance way down with only just about half a billion dollars of volume. Now, why? Why, oh, why, oh, why? Well, basically, Coinbean recorded 2 billion, BitZ recorded over 1 billion. What they're doing is they're adopting a new revenue model known as trans fee mining, where basically all the miners are transgender and they just charge whatever fees they feel necessary. But the new platform, that's not what they're doing. Trans fee mining sees exchanges moving beyond traditional fee-taking models, instead issuing their own tokens which are paid to users in return for their normal transaction fees in crypto. Now, CZ has some things to say about that. CZ from Binance. He says, you pay transaction fees to the platform with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The platform pays 100% back to you with its token. Isn't it just buying tokens with Bitcoin and Ethereum? How is that different from an ICO? And that is a good question. If an exchange doesn't get revenue from transaction fees and solely profits from the price of its token, how would it survive without manipulating the token price? Are you sure you want to play against a price manipulator, the same price manipulator who controls a trading platform? So, now I haven't done any further research than just this article, but it's just something that says, buyer beware, caution, caution with those trading platforms. There's possibility about price manipulation going on there. And we've seen other exchanges under scrutiny for price manipulation, so careful. Next is a big one. Big news, Alibaba's Jack Ma rips crypto speculation, reveals his own blockchain payment platform. So, Jack Ma showed off a new blockchain remittance service from Ant Financial, formerly Alipay, the subsidiary of Alibaba Group. According to Ma, the platform completed its first transaction between Hong Kong and Philippines in just 3 seconds. What does this mean? Does this spell the end for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Well, Ma goes on to say, technology itself isn't the bubble, but Bitcoin likely is. It's not right to become rich overnight by betting on blockchain. Or is it? That's the question I leave to you guys. Talking about betting on winners, Microsoft awards Onchain Ontology for the win. So, on June 21st, ThinkNext Microsoft Accelerated Shanghai held its 3rd cohort exhibition event, and Onchain was nominated by Microsoft because of its work in the global blockchain industry. So that's big. Good for Neo fans. Okay? Microsoft likes Onchain, likes Ontology. That's big business. Here we go further, okay? Yesterday we were talking about how Bitmain is nearing controlling 51% of the market share. If you see that here, BTC.com and Antpool, that's both of them. That's Bitmain right there. So, yesterday we were talking about how they're nearing 51%. If they hold 51%, theoretically they could have a 51% attack on the network where they would basically allow themselves to double spend, okay? Validating and invalidating transactions as they please. Now, they just recently announced they're removing fees for 3 months, dropping them from 4% to 0. Why the decision is made is unclear, especially considering that they're at 42% of the total hash rate, close to 51%. Maybe they want to get over 51%. Perhaps. We'll have to see what happens if that happens. I mean, hopefully it wouldn't destroy things, but you'd have to wonder what's going to happen if. I would have to think that a lot of the miners there are actually like good people, so they probably wouldn't want to crash the network. But you never know. You just never know in this world. Talking about never know, Dogecoin has been processing more than 3 times the transactions of Bcash. The number of Doge transactions for the last 3 months always exceeded Bcash, with the ratio peaking on June 18th, with Doge being 3 times Bcash. Although Dogecoin's market cap is dwarfed by that of Bitcoin, the world's 4th largest cryptocurrency, the fact that Bcash is actually being used less than the relatively small cryptocurrency will undoubtedly be seen by Bcash critics as a major challenge to their narrative. I definitely see that. Nobody's using Bcash because it's an altcoin. Not to mention that as a fraud. Now, furthermore, the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, is doing Quaaludes again. He's smoking them like they do down in South Africa. He is smoking Quaaludes, and that's what his face looks like when he's smoking Quaaludes. He predicts the end of Bitcoin is nigh. Because that's how they make predictions. The end of Bitcoin is nigh. So Jordan Belfort, known as the Wolf of Wall Street, recently announced via Facebook video that Bitcoin's price drop is just the beginning of the end. He argued when the actual crash occurs, it will be detrimental to many hodlers on the market. It has the ability to go to 0 or 2,000, 1,000, just like that, says Belfort. Now, he calls it the greater fool theory. Okay, so who's going to be the greater fool? Who knows? Is this the end of Bitcoin? It's definitely not the first time somebody's called the end of Bitcoin. Yes, prices are dropping. Yes, we're in a bear market. But look at all the adoption. But again, I don't know. Remember, disclaimer, just making cryptocurrency videos, not financial advice. Duh. A survey by ING showed 15% of Europeans would like to be paid in Bitcoin. I would like to be paid in Bitcoin. I mean, it's pretty cool. Also, during the data analysis, it was clear that interest in the crypto sector will grow with fast steps, perhaps more than double. I mean, look at that. Current ownership in these countries and potential growth. Whew, Turkey big up there, Romania, Spain, Poland, USA. 35% of European citizens surveyed believe Bitcoin will become the future of online payments. What do you say to that, Mr. Quaaludes? He doesn't have anything to say. He's smoked out of his bird. Now, Yahoo lists Bitcoin, Litecoin, Tron. Okay, so Yahoo has listed a whole bunch of financial stocks. The cryptocurrencies listed, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bcash, EOS, Litecoin, Tron, Stellar, Cardano, IOTA, Binance Coin, and VeChain. Interesting. So they list them alongside other stocks, traditional stocks, such as Prudential, American Express, JP Morgan. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Last little piece of news, I just want to end with a little optimism, like I like to do on most days. At least there is optimistic news, okay? Leading venture capital firm Andreeson Horowitz raises its first dedicated crypto fund. This company raised $300 million for its first crypto-focused fund. Now, I saw that, and that makes me happy. Why? Because it reminds me of, bear with me, it reminds me of what happened right here. You see this right here? That was the Novogratz buy-in. And now we have the Horowitz buy-in. Similar? Maybe. But Novogratz bought in, I think, with like $200 or $400 million. Boom, Bitcoin shot up. That was the beginning of, boom, that stuff. Now we have the Horowitz buy-in. Will this cause another spike to what's going on? I don't know. You guys have to figure that out for yourself. But obviously more money getting into crypto, people not exactly agreeing with Quaalude Smoker Man. Right? All right, so that's it for the news today. Guys, stick around 5 p.m. tonight. We have a late night live stream. I'll be answering all your questions. I'll take a look at everything you want to. We can talk about whatever cryptos you want to, talk about whatever else. Also, guys, I'm going to be down at a few events. So down in the description, there is Infinite Man Summit in next month. And then there's Coinvention in I don't remember when, and I think August is Coinvention, and then World CryptoCon in October. So 3 events. You guys can check those out below. Also, I was interviewed in a podcast called Radiant Creators. They did an awesome job. I'll link to that below. And then, guys, for those of you who want to win this shirt, okay, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because as you see here, I am a crypto influencer award winner. Okay, award-winning crypto YouTube channel. Yes, so yesterday we had 2 videos, the news video and then the Loop Ring interview. All right, that was fun with Jay-Z. Some people call him Jay-Z, like people in like me. I call him Jay-Z. Waka, waka, waka. So 1 and 2. Ready? Good luck to everybody. Who needs that shirt? Who wants that shirt? All right, good luck. Number 2, the Loop Ring video. All right, we're going to have a Loop Ring winner. Guys, I'm not sure if I said this because I've just been rambling for the past however long, but subscribe if you haven't. Mash the shit out of the like button. And, yeah, comment on this video and every other video to win these t-shirts, where one of you is about to win soon. 50 unique commenters. Let's see who wins. All right. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Eric Hyatt. Loop Ring, yo. Well, Eric Hyatt, congratulations, Loop Ring, yo. You win a t-shirt. Email me the email on my about page. Congratulations, you win. You can get your shirt. I'll ship it anywhere in the world. It's free for you, not free for me. But because I want just like a whole army of people wearing these shirts, I'm just sending them all over the world. Also, guys, we have up to sizes 5XL. So even if you are like Andre the Giant size, like anybody want a peanut? You can get a shirt. So, cool. That's it for today. I got to do my Andre the Giant impression. Things are going well. Love you all. Have a great one. All right? Peace.